In this video, we're going to review how to use the volume tool from the measurements toolbar. Why you might want to take a volume? Well, it depends on your use case, of course, but very often you have to do a quantity takeoff, whether for excavation or concrete, and you're replacing the existing building or bridge or whatever it is that you're looking at. So that'd be useful to know what's there presently. Well, in order to do that, go to the measurement toolbar, left click, and go down to volume, left click again, and then we can place a volume boundary box anywhere on the model or point cloud. So we're just going to left click to place it, and when we do, you'll notice that there are sliders up and down, left and right, just like the primary clipping box. And what you can do is you can manipulate that to go around whatever volume it is that you want to take off. I've already done that over here on this little ledge because there's a concrete upturn beam. And we might want to know, because we're replacing that, what the volume of it is. And as you can see, the points that are included in that volume boundary box are highlighted in green, and they come out to, in this particular case, 16.754 cubic meters. If we'd like to change the boundary box, because say we want to go all the way to this face, we just simply click on it, find that control point, and then move it to wherever we please, being sure to take care that the points that we want to include are highlighted in green, but no further. Once they are, click out of the boundary box, and as you can see, the volume changes.